What's up? This is CAC. I got a tutorial for you guys using Maya. How to do a bouncing ball 2022. Alright, we're going to start it. Use the little circle. It helps make the ball easier, so you don't have to draw it. You know, there's a lot of us that sometimes, we don't have the pen, tablets, all that, or we got the mouse. But at least this will help you, give you a little bit of practice. So that's the good thing. Alright, anyway, once you do this, you're going to swipe it. And you're gonna move it down. Now, remember, the whole process is once you draw the circle, you're gonna go 2 frames over. Okay. Now you're gonna copy that one. Okay. Before you go and paste it 2 frames over. But you gotta make sure that when you copy it, you have to do it on the screen. All right. Not down here where the frames are on the screen. Because if you do it down here, any changes you make here, it's gonna change the original. So you got to do it over here. Once you do it there on the screen, then you're going to come down here, go 2 frames over, and then go back on the screen and then press right click and press paste. That's the way you got to do it every time. Then when you're done, you're going to go ahead and swipe it, and it's going to get that little box, and you're going to move it. You're going to come back down here to where the frames are, go 2 frames over. The same process, everything, 2 frames, 2 frames, 2 frames, 3 frames, all the way to get to the end. And the same process, you're going to swipe it, paste it, move it down where you need it, and then you're going to adjust it. Like here, remember we did it here on the top, then we brought it down to the middle, and then we stretched it. Now the bottom, you're going to stretch upward. That's why you put it all the way at the bottom, and then you stretch upward. Okay, so that way you get that straight line. Okay, and it also keeps it the same dimensions all the way around. That's what you really want. You see, now you're gonna paste again, see, and you bring it back down here at the bottom where the other one was. This time you're gonna stretch it sideways, because remember, it's squash. It's gonna squash. Like that, a little bit here and a little bit there. Then you're gonna come down here at the bottom. Once you get it 2 frames over, click it. Just like that. Now you're gonna come back up here and then right click, paste. Grab it, bring it down, put it there again. Same process. You're gonna stretch it again sideways and then smash it even more. This time half of what the other one is. When you bringing it down, not outward. Like this, you see? Wow. Now, again, same process. Go down 2 frames, click it. Go on the screen, right click, paste. Bring it down, set it right there again, right in the center. This time you're gonna go from the top, stretch up. Because now we're going upward instead of down. You see? Again, same process, 2 frames over, click it, paste, bring it down. This time set it on top. You wanna keep the distance, because we're gonna have it up here. So you're gonna have the distance of a ball. This ball here, see the way it is? Sit it right there. See the top? We're gonna set this ball from the bottom on top of that, like this. Boom. That's what I mean by the top. Then you stretch it up. Remember, that keeps everything to look smooth. Again, I'm gonna go down 2, paste, bring it up here. Same thing we did down here. Use the ball to adjust where you want it, and then move it, and then leave it there. This. See, because this one's gonna be right there. Again, 2 frames over, paste it. Now bring it over here. See the distance between these 2? That's what you want. See, distance right there. See, exactly the way you want it. Boom. Now on this next one, when you go 2 frames over, on the next one you're gonna paste it. This time you're gonna put it and you're gonna set it to where the bottom of the new one is right in the middle of the old one. See right there, like that. Because remember, now it's easing in, so slowing down. To slow it down, it's gonna take more of them. All right. So a lot closer. So we're gonna repeat the process again. Bring it in there, except you're gonna put it right in the center of these two. See, like this. See where the ring is gonna be? Right there. And then 2 frames up again. And then we're gonna repeat the same process. Paste it, and this time right between these two. See that big clear spot? You're gonna put it right there in the middle. At least close enough. Then the next one, 2 frames over, and then this one is gonna set almost flush with the top. Okay, like this. You're gonna paste it. Now this one's gonna set it towards the ring top touches the top right there. Then the last one is gonna be, you're gonna go 2 frames over again, but this time, this one, instead of being in the top, you're gonna put it right on top of the one right underneath it, right there. And that's it, guys. And that's should give you your bounce. You just go ahead and press play. Make sure you hit the loop right there so it'll play over and over, and then press play, and there you go. See, if you did it exactly the way I told you, that's the way it's gonna look. Like I said, it's easy, it's not hard. I mean, that's the easiest it can get, and it's a lot easier than having to draw. But it's just, you know, I mean, eventually you're gonna have to draw, you know what I'm saying? But this gives you an idea how the, you know, the mechanics work. So once you get used to it, you know, you're more comfortable with it, that'll help, you know. So when you start doing your other stuff and adding legs to it and arms, all that, which I'm gonna do that in a future video, and you'll see how awesome it's gonna look. So I hope you guys liked it. Subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, love you guys, and please support the video. Really need it.
Expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next? He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession, all in his possession. You got their attention, now leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression.